Hey YouTube, how the heck are you doing? I'm doing great and I hope you are too. So about 3-4 weeks ago, I brought to you a QuizLab mini hub for the Mac Mini 4 that I was really liking. It had good form to it, a good size to it. It really matched up nicely to the Mac Mini 4. But as I used it down the road, things started to go a little bit south on it. And it was brought to my attention first by Third Eye Pics, one of my comments that was in the first video, saying something about the functionality of the inside of where the SSD card goes and Wi-Fi functionality. So I did some of my own testing on it, and I used NetSpeed to verify the speed of the upload and download. And at first I was getting like 4 megabytes per second download. And then the next couple tests after that, it did increase to about 200 download and maybe 20 upload speed. But in reality, once I unplugged it from my Wi-Fi, either without the hub or with the old hub, I was getting the speed. I was getting at least 600 download speed and about 25 upload. So upload didn't change much, but drastically reduced my download speed as far as having that little hub connected and powered up underneath my Mac Mini 4. So unhappy as I am to return it, I had to return it within that Amazon window that I had. I guess they do have a different version of it, so I didn't try the QuizLab other version where it should have the HDMI back port, and there's a few other things that they changed as far as the inside of the enclosure. I didn't try that. I was going to wait to see what Saatchi brought out, but they did show it. They haven't released it, I don't think so, but they do have it on their website, and it doesn't have the micro SD card, which I use quite a bit in my smaller cameras, so I didn't want to have to deal with a little adapter, which isn't a big deal, but it's just easier to slide a micro SD card into the hub and download your stuff and get going. So I didn't go that route yet, so as of now, I'm back to the original hub that I had with the original Mac Mini, the bigger size. So that's going to sit there for a while. It has the SD card and micro SD card, has the back HDMI port, which I typically don't use. Or does it? No, it doesn't have it, so I don't even use it. So that one doesn't have it either. So I don't think I'll be going forward with a smaller hub until I see what else can come out from other vendors and other suppliers. I would really like the SD card, micro SD card in there. But for now, so I would stay away from that version of it. There was other comments when you go through all the, 1 star, 5 stars, 4 stars and everything. There were other comments about Wi-Fi, just like Third Eye Pics did say. So I don't want to slam a product, but that one did give me problems. So take it with a grain of salt whether you want to try that one or not. It did work functionality wise for me up until the Wi-Fi point. So, and that is a good thing that I don't want to have to deal with. So let me know what you think down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for my next update to my hub, what I'll be getting, whether it be the Saatchi or a different brand. And I'll catch you next time, guys. Have a good one.